Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up a monthly subscription from Urban Glitz Fashion's Bead box. Now, it has been some time since I've opened a subscription from this company, and if you go back and look through my videos, you will see where I have several videos where I've opened up subscriptions from Urban Glitz, and you will also see where I've done tutorials using materials from this subscription. And one of my favorite pieces that I designed with materials from this box was the boho wrap bracelet. That piece was so gorgeous. I always think about it. It's a beautiful piece. And I also really loved a necklace I did. I think it was the Rockstar box. They had a metal gold Dreamcatcher pendant that I turned into a 3D beaded flower. It kind of looked like a shape of a rose flower. It was really gorgeous. I love that one too. So if you want, you can go back into my videos and look at my older Urban Glitz Fashions box openings. So I will put a link down there in the description bar below this video for the subscription if you want to go check it out for yourself. And the box I am opening is called Happy Spring Surprise Box 2019, and I believe that this is March's box. Let's see what's inside. I think I'm going to try and follow the list. So the first thing on the list is 35 inches of turquoise fabric link chain. So that's this here. This is pretty cool. I've never tried this chain before, but I have seen it. Smaller links though, this one is larger. Oh wow, this is neat. They're actually kind of hard. That's pretty cool. Okay, number 2 is 1mm brown flat suede cord. So that's here, this one. And I have got this in a previous Urban Glitz Fashions bead box. I don't know if it is the same size. I want to say it is. But I use this in a necklace. This is pretty cool stuff. I really liked working with this. So I'm excited to get more of it. It's a really nice cord. So soft. And there's 1 meter of it. Did I say millimeter? I don't know. I screw up all the time. It's no surprise. Okay. Number 3. 2 meters of coral Chinese wax cord. This color is gorgeous. I think coral is the color of the year, isn't it? If it's Chinese wax cord, I'm wondering if it's meltable. It might be. It's a very pretty color. And by the way, all of the bags are numbered. See that right there? There's a 3, so that's number 3. Okay, number 4 is 25 coral agate beads, 8mm. And that's probably these, and these are gorgeous. Are these the same color? Yeah, pretty much. These are really pretty. I love those. And number 5 is 30 turquoise transparent jade, 6mm. So, yeah, 6mm. So this has to be them. It doesn't say round. Right there it is, number 5. These are pretty too. And I love turquoise and coral together. They just look perfect together. They're made for each other. Okay, number 7. 47 coral iridescent faceted rondelle crystals, 5mm. So that's these here. These are really pretty. I love these. I don't have this color at all in my stash, so I'm really loving them. I'm always loving unusual things, things that are different, things I've never seen before. They're pretty cool, and it actually kind of looks similar to my nail polish. And they look great with turquoise. I think that blue turquoise colors really go with anything. For me, it does. And every time, I have to say this, every time I've gotten an Urban Glitz Fashion bead box, the colors in the box were amazing, and everything in the box was put together so well. I really love that about this box. Okay, number 7. 70 silver faceted rondelle crystals. 4mm. That's these here. Ooh. So this is two-tone. Part of it is silver and part of it is clear. And it's the Labrador silver on it. These are pretty. It's really nice. Okay, next thing is number 9. 1 coral resin flower, 1 coral mother of pearl flower. So that's these here. This is pretty. It looks a lot like the rondelles. Yeah, that's a good match there. And this is a bead. There's a hole right there. Goes down to the center of the flower. And this here, I have used these roses before. I usually use the smaller one for my projects, but I'm a huge fan of pink roses, and I just love that. That is so pretty. Okay, now to number 10. Number 10 is this one here. It's called 1 butterfly accent bead and 3 rhinestone. And it says the rhinestone accent beads, and then there's 1 mask charm. So there's several things in here. So actually there's more than 11 items in this box. If you look at it like that. There's actually 3 things in here. Oh, that is so cool. This is a thick charm. And I wonder if we could decorate this with little crystals. This is precious. I love that. Very detailed. And then there's these rhinestone beads here. Okay. And then the next one, it says 11. Did I skip 6? I sure did. Turquoise color shaped beads. These look like Amazonite to me. Yeah, I used these not too long ago in a video. Amazonite gemstone chips. It's a really pretty color. Love those. And then this here is 11. I always skip something. I don't know how I do that. I guess I just get distracted by the beads. So this is 2 accent separator beads and silver closure. Oh, these are cool. They're hollow. Those are nice. I like those. And then we have the closure here for the cord, suede cord. And I also like, what I also like about this subscription, I realize that when she puts the stuff together, she also stays with the same metal color. And for example, the other subscriptions I get, there's several different metal colors in the subscription, so when I go to make a project and I try to stay with just using things from their subscription, I kind of can't. I have to go and get a clasp or something of mine from my stash. I have to, because they have different color metals in here. But this one, she stayed with the silver. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lay these out. So see, like here she has, you know, the silver beads, so it all goes together. So there's a cord. There's a bunch of goodies in here. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave a link for the website down there in the description bar, so make sure you check that out. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so you get notified when I upload new videos, and like me on Facebook. And don't forget to share pictures of the jewelry you've made from my videos on my Facebook page, and follow me on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.